My name is Chris Barnes. I'm the Engineering and Energy Manager here at Excel. Engineering-wise, I look after the whole building in terms of its electrical infrastructure, air conditioning, etc. The building itself has been here 10 years. It originally started about being 2/3 the size of what it is now. We've just recently had an extension put on the eastern end of the building, which now gives us 100,000 square metres. But for the American market, it's termed as 1 million square feet. We actually host 8 of the country's top 10 events, big blockbuster shows. Most of the reductions have been in the way we actually operate in terms of BMS, making sure the BMS is working to its total efficiency, and changing the way the venue thinks and how events, when they come in, how they operate themselves. There's a number of companies have been looking at the way we do things, not least our opposition, in the event industry. They are fully aware of the cuts we've made and reductions we've made. We're getting recognition throughout the industry. We've won energy awards in the exhibition industry. We've won the Sunday Times Best Green Company Award, and we've just recently won a Diamond Award in the Mayor of London's Green 500. The first time I saw it was on the ground in a workshop, right? And we took it from the workshop, and then we took it up into the halls, and it's not easy to actually run one from above, so we actually laid it on the floor and looked at the light on the ceiling, and we just could not believe how much light it gave in the halls. We then got 8 fittings and did a trial area down by S7, and the response was just phenomenal from everybody in the building. Everybody was just amazed. The comments we're getting about the new lighting in the boulevard are considerable. With the increase in lighting, double the output of light for about 70% saving in energy. The mounting height of the fittings is 10 metres. Originally the fittings were set just above the egg crate ceiling, which gave us approximately 100 lux at floor level. The new fittings, although they've been fitted just slightly underneath the egg crate, now give us 220. So giving us a major improvement in lighting. The type of lighting, it's made the venue and the building look bigger. It's made it look cleaner. So many, there's so many wins and very few negatives. One of the biggest problems we had with sodium fittings was the fact that with different ages of light fittings, you've got different colour renders. When Phase 2 opened, with Phase 2 has got quite a lot of light harvesting with ETFE roofing. Now we couldn't actually start cutting holes in the roof down this end to produce ETFE, natural light harvest. So we had to try and find lighting that was going to sort of match that outside viewpoint. Aesthetically, it ticks all the boxes. In terms of that boulevard, it's a public area. If in the event of a power cut, the old sodiums would take anywhere between 2 and 3 minutes to come back on. This is instant. In terms of life safety, that's another tick in the box. Carbon reduction is very important to us all in England. Our government's made promises to the world what they're going to achieve, and without us doing it, they're never going to achieve it. We're actually quite proud of our carbon reduction here in the last 2 years, which is freely available for everyone to see. Go on Wikipedia, it tells you everything. Carbon reduction was just an added bonus from it, really. And carbon reduction isn't just about energy, it's about the waste recycling as well. And we have quite a high waste recycling process going on here, including probably one of the largest wormeries in the world. My future plans is that I'd like to actually do the halls. Now, that's quite a challenge in so many respects, because I'm looking at there's 23 halls on each side of the building. In each hall, I've got 45 sodium fittings. So we're looking in the region of about 1,500 light fittings. I think these lights sell themselves. Once you compare like for like, it's a no-brainer. It's an absolute no-brainer.